Hello, in front of me I've got FOTON G7. In this video I'll show you how to manage automatic gearbox. As you can see right here, we've got the gearbox shifter. Firstly, press brake, and now to switch from reverse to neutral, pull the gearbox shifter downwards. To switch from neutral to drive, pull it again downwards. Pull it downwards again to select manual mode. Manual mode is indicated on the instrument cluster display. Now, if you want to set parking mode, press P button right here. Parking mode is now activated. To switch from parking mode to reverse, press button located on the left side and pull it downwards. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.